Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. It's not that cool, and I'm going to say it one more time. I don't know that you're ever going to draw something like that, but it might give you a few tips. We're going to bring in indexing lines that are in the center of the page. Take a polygon and make it a four-sided polygon, holding down the control button and then hit P. Now Control D and make a duplicate while holding down, get the two-sided arrow, make it smaller. Now those are in the center of the page. Now let's take that polygon and make it a three-sided. Let's take this one and make it a three-sided. Now we're going to take this outer one and go up to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and we're going to round it 1.5 inches. Now, if we did not start with a four-sided polygon, we wouldn't be in the center of the page. So now you can do pretty much whatever you want. I am going to hit this with the shape tool and we'll see the nodes. And I can take my 3-point curve line and I can go from that node, I can go all the way down to there. But I want to make sure that my line is kind of in line with this and doesn't, see it's overstepping the bounds just a little bit. It wouldn't really matter. But once you've set the anchor, you could set this, you could move this handle and move it outwardly. I don't really think it matters, but see now it's a little more perfect. And you could put a little bit more curve on this, now if you wanted to wherever you think it needs to be or whatever you want to do. I'm going to call that good. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And this is why we needed to be in the center of the page, so we can rotate this from the center of the page. Now I don't know that I made a duplicate, but I'm going to rotate it 120 degrees. And I did. Control D and 240 degrees. Now we basically have it. I'm going to take away the outline, so I'm going to see what my nudge factor is. We're less than 9 inches. My nudge factor is set on, we'll make it 10. And I only have to fill in one of these. So we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And that way you can kind of see what the shape looks like. Then I'm going to nudge this up and this back over. So it's still centerable. I'm going to take my interactive fill tool and I'm going to go up to here, but I'm going to put some darkness and then maybe not quite that much. I can put a little more blue down here. I just want it to look like it's kind of going behind that other part. Just a little bit. That doesn't look too bad. Now I can Control D to duplicate it. And I'm going to use my hotkey Control C, which put the rotation in the center. Now I'm going to rotate it at 120 degrees and 120 degrees. I just Control D 3 times. And that's what you get. It looks like it's kind of wrapped in a way. It's not perfect. I think it's equal as good as my first one. But anyway, it might give you some ideas on some other stuff. Hope that helps. Thank you for watching.